Hello students, myself Shraddha Agrawal, PGT Chemistry from Holy Hearts Education Academy. Today I came with class 12th topic, that is colligative property part 2. In this topic we are going to learn about the elevation in boiling point as well as depression in freezing point. Coming to the first topic, that is elevation in boiling point. Boiling point of solution is always greater than that of the solvent. The reason behind is that the boiling point of solution is higher because its vapor pressure is less than that of the solvent. Now coming to the topic elevation in boiling point, I have plotted a graph between temperature and vapor pressure. Here T naught B represent the boiling point of pure solvent, whereas TB represent the boiling point of solution. You can see that the pure solvent liquid boils at suppose 100 degrees centigrade, but to boil a salt solution require more temperature than that of the solvent. And the difference in the temperature is known to be elevation in boiling point. So elevation in boiling point is equal to TB minus T naught B, whereas TB is again the boiling point of a solution, whereas T naught B is the boiling point of a solution. For very dilute solution, we consider that del TB is directly proportional to molality. And to remove this proportionality sign, I have used a constant that is known to be Hubley-Scopic constant, represented by the sign Kb. So the equation comes to be del TB equal to Kb into M. We know that molality is equal to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Mathematical expression I can write it on M equal to Wb into 1000 upon M equal to Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Putting the value of molality in equation 1, equation come to be del Tb equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Hence the equation come to be, that is Mb equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 upon del Tb into Wa. We can conclude that the molecular mass as well as elevation in boiling point are inversely to each other. Now the next topic is depression in freezing point. Depression means decrease in freezing point. Freezing point of solution is less than that of the solvent. For example, if you are going to freeze water, it will freeze at 0 degrees centigrade, but to freeze a salt solution, it requires less temperature than that. So if I am going to plot a graph between temperature and vapor pressure, you can see that T naught F represent the freezing point of a pure solvent, whereas T naught F, whereas Tf represent the freezing point of a solution. So if a pure solvent freeze at 0 degrees centigrade, to freeze a salt solution, it requires less temperature than that. And again the difference of the temperature is known to be depression in freezing point. So del Tf is depression in freezing point. Hence del Tf is equal to T naught F minus Tf. For very dilute solution, again I have considered that is del Tf is directly proportional to molality, and to remove this proportionality sign I have used a constant, that is Kf. Kf is known to be cryoscopic constant. Now molality, we know that moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg, hence the equation come to be del Tf is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Hence equation is Mb is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 upon del Tf into Wa. So there are very lots of application of depression in freezing point as well as elevation in boiling point in our day-to-day life. One of the example is that when we are going to see that in the polar region during winter season, the snow get deposited at the roadside, it is going to be cleared by spraying salt over it, because the freezing point of salt solution is less than that of 0 degrees centigrade, hence the road gets clear. Coming to the next topic, that is abnormal molecular mass. Abnormal molecular mass, that means we can see the difference in the molecular mass of a theoretical value as well as colligative property. This is calculated by Van 't Hoff factor, which is represented by small I. So Van 't Hoff factor is equal to normal molar mass upon observed colligative property. Normal molar mass upon observed molar mass, and in terms of colligative property, I can be observed colligative property upon calculated colligative property. So as I have told you, the abnormal molecular mass, that means the molecular mass can be more or less than that of the theoretical value. When we are going to consider the case of dissociation, in dissociation the molecular mass is less than that of the theoretical value, and the degree of dissociation can be calculated by the formula alpha equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. Whereas in case of association, the molecular mass is greater than that of the theoretical value. Hence the equation come to be alpha equal to 1 minus I upon 1 minus 1 upon n. If I is equal to 1, that means the solute will behave normally. That means it does not undergoes either association or dissociation. But if I is greater than 1, then the solute undergoes dissociation. If I is less than 1, that means the solute undergoes association. So this is all about the elevation in boiling point as well as depression in freezing point. Students, you are going to prepare the notes of this topic as well as solve the NCERT question related to the colligative property. Thank you.